Hello viewers, it is Rupsha House. Today I will show you how to create a YouTube banner image with Canva Pro. Going to canva.com. Already sign up my account. Just click create a design. YouTube banner. Select any demo picture. Use this one. My channel name is Pretty Kitty. Copy here. Just here change this your channel name. Some change if you want to delete this one, delete and delete. Now ready your YouTube banner image, YouTube cover photo. Ready your YouTube cover photo. Just click share, download. Going to your YouTube channel. This is my YouTube studio. Going to customization, branding, upload. Here are your YouTube banner image. Open. Now here click done. So see your nice picture, your YouTube banner image is ready, and click published. Now okay. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel. Please stay with us for a new video. Bye bye.